Hi, I'm Josh at Barbecues Galore, and today I'm here to talk about the YS480 Yoder. Absolutely fantastic. What you have in front of you is one of the most complete machines, the pellet machines that you will find in the market today. The fireboard technology that's inside this housing, anywhere from that 150 up to that 600 degrees, and with amplification up to even higher temperatures for that searing, which is excellent fun. Inside your 10 gauge steel housing, you'll find, as soon as I finish saucing up my ribs, I am back up to temperature faster than any other pellet machine in the market because of the thickness of this gauge. It is unrelenting, particularly through that October, through that April time, which is where half of us still want to play. Inside the competition cart that you see with that sleek trim and the upgraded stainless steel side shelves, this makes you really movable and portable for when you want to maneuver. I can also have this in a standalone cart for the backyard person as well. Inside here I have the ceramic burner, which gives us incredible heat as I auger my pellets from my side hopper here into my burn pot. When I have that cold meat and I put it onto my hot grill, inside here it monitors and maintains my flow of my pellets to keep my temperature as consistent as possible so I don't see those temperature fluctuations, which you don't want to get in cooking. Consistency is key, and I can't stress that enough inside this housing, okay? This is the most robust machine that you will find. It's got unrelenting heat control, and the power inside this now, there isn't anything on the market that even is coming close to it currently right now for that fireboard technology. This is the YS480. It's an excellent cooker, and if you want to find more information about it, you can look us up at barbecuesgalore.ca. Try and, can you take 10 pounds off?
Yeah, I think I can work that magic.
Thanks, man.